This makes much more sense for Mac.
It's an ethnic child, and it's like a very high quality photo that was taken by a professional. So for Mac, this makes more sense.
I wonder if you can see the photographer though.
A little bit you can. He's wearing a black hood. He's wearing a white hood. A white cone hood. I use Mac.
Use the restroom.
No.
Leave me, please. You can't leave me.
Really? Are you serious? Hey, and see, when you have Mac, you have important things to talk about on FaceTime. So if I had a Mac, I would have like a business meeting. I would be talking to people in like Sao Paulo or some very exotic location where they're doing equally like great, cool business. The third world rising up thanks to Mac. So I'd say, hey, did you get those files I Mac'd you? And they would say, yeah. Because when you have Mac, file transfers are like that when you have Mac. So, hey, over there in Paris, did you get those files? Did you get that important document? Great. I'm going to head to the coffee shop, because when you have Mac, you can do business around the globe from sitting in the cafe. And when you're done, Mac goes from a work object to a play machine.
Do you have any games on there?
Well, there's chess.
They don't have any downloaded apps or anything?
No. You need your Apple ID for every single thing. And it doesn't save it, it clears it out for security, so you have to memorize your Apple ID and password and re-enter it every time you do something. You want to open up a notepad? Apple ID.
Wait, you want your kids buying Game Center apps?
You want to look at your kids' photographs? Enter your Apple ID. What other cool things do we have on Mac? I call it Mac. Calendar. Full of important business meetings. This is very essential. Come here. So we're on Mac. And when you're on Mac, your life is going to be full of events. If you have any other computer, your calendar app, you're going to maybe use it once, and you'll never use it again. Because you're a piece of shit. You don't coordinate things like that. Nobody does. But when you have Mac, you're going to be full. Spin class, Omega project, weekly meeting, conference room, Adams field trip, lunch meeting at La Pastia. That sounds expensive. You can afford it because you've got Mac. Softball practice, marathon training. Whoa, this is a real Renaissance person here whose schedule we're looking at. They're doing softball and marathons and having meetings. Can't believe it.
Can you guys do me a favor and not film?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Inside the store, we just can't have it.
Sorry.
I know it's not.